Politicizing the COVID-19 virus will cause this country to lose the battle against the pandemic. The Minister of Health made the statement at this morning's virtual media conference as he addressed the details of a pre-action letter sent to the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Roshan Parasram, sent on behalf of a COVID-19 positive patient who was not named. The letter refers to alleged exchanges between the patient and the Minister of Health and addressed claims that the patient was being held at a medical facility against his will, although in receipt of a discharge form. The Health Minister said publishing pre-action letters in the media before received by the Ministry of Health will not be taken lightly.
Those are not in the public's interest. I implore all who seem hell-bent on reaping some sort of ill-gotten political reward out of this, that you are not acting in the best interest of Trinidad and Tobago.
The Health Minister also made it clear that at no time did he have any conversation with the patient about his medical condition. One additional person has tested positive for COVID-19. The Ministry of Health says the latest confirmed case was a contact of a person who has a history of recent travel. The total number of confirmed cases in Trinidad and Tobago now stands at 114. In its update on Wednesday morning, the ministry said 2 additional persons have been discharged from Cora Hospital. And once again, it is stressed that the total number of positive cases, 52 of those came from the group of nationals who recently returned from a cruise. The Caribbean has been warned to brace for the worst when it comes to COVID-19. This as the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO, is expecting COVID-19 cases to intensify in the next few weeks. The organization's director, Dr. Carissa Etienne, during a virtual media conference on Tuesday, said the pandemic is yet to hit with full force in the region. She said there was a dire need to expand regional short-term ICU capacity.
It was almost difficult to predict the magnitude of this pandemic. This pandemic has really surpassed maybe all of the others that we have in terms of its magnitude. I also was surprised by our inability to provide for the resources in terms of PPEs, masks, tests, etc.
She's asking the private sector to work with governments to make resources available to support the response. Dr. Etienne said physical distancing orders in some countries have given the region a chance to prepare, but she warned that countries considering transitions to more flexible measures should take them with extreme caution.